Have you ever wondered if certain natural solutions could work better than the pills and tablets you depend on? In a world where it sometimes feels like pharmaceutical profits take center stage, it's worth asking a few probing questions. How is it that these herbal infusions, each supported by science, are often overlooked? The fact is, many of these traditional remedies yield exceptional results, on par with or even exceeding some conventional medicines, when made part of your everyday habits. Still, it's crucial to remember that these teas do not replace any specific medical treatments. If you have health issues, speak with your doctor first. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea stands out with a deep, ruby-red color that hints at its remarkable health perks. Among its most notable qualities is the ability to keep blood pressure in check, supported by findings in the Journal of Nutrition. In their research, participants who consistently drank hibiscus tea showed a notable decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This makes hibiscus tea a potential natural option for anyone wary of relying too heavily on medication. Beyond its effects on blood pressure, this tea is loaded with antioxidants that shield your cells from oxidative stress. Many people over 50 find it helps with cardiovascular well-being, and it's pleasantly tangy if you prefer your tea on the tart side. Preparation couldn't be simpler. Steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then enjoy hot or iced. A quick example, consider drinking it in the afternoon for a refreshing pick-me-up that also supports heart health. Clove tea, the shocking ally. It might surprise you, but clove tea carries an impressive set of benefits that often go under the radar. Rich in eugenol, cloves have strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. For individuals looking to add more natural infection-fighting solutions into their regimen, clove tea is worth exploring. Research indicates that eugenol can help fight various pathogens, an important advantage for those with weaker immune systems or frequent colds. On top of that, clove tea supports digestion by promoting enzyme production. A simple example, if you tend to feel gassy or bloated after a holiday meal, a warm cup of clove tea can offer soothing relief. Its analgesic properties also make it helpful for joint pain and headaches. Just steep around a teaspoon of whole cloves in hot water for 10 minutes. The taste is naturally spicy, so a bit of honey or lemon can balance the flavor. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is celebrated for its relaxing effects, making it a top pick for anyone struggling with stress or restlessness. This mild herbal infusion comes from dried chamomile flowers, renowned for their ability to reduce muscle tension and support a calm nervous system. Some studies have noted a quicker onset of sleep and deeper rest in those who sip chamomile before bedtime. Another key point is chamomile's digestive benefits. Its anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic qualities can ease bloating and indigestion. For instance, if you've just finished a big dinner, chamomile tea can help settle your stomach before sleep. It's also a gentle choice for soothing menstrual discomfort. Steep a spoonful of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drinking it in the evening creates a restful ritual, coaxing the body into relaxation mode. If you're missing any of these ingredients, you can easily purchase them from trusted sources like Amazon. You'll find a link in the description below offering a wide variety of tea products. Moringa tea. Moringa tea is frequently called a superfood in a cup, and for good reason. Brimming with antioxidants, it effectively combats inflammation and cellular damage. Some research points out that inflammation markers are lowered considerably by consistent moringa intake, highlighting its capacity as a therapeutic agent. That's particularly relevant for older adults looking to address chronic inflammation. Moringa tea also delivers brain-boosting nutrients like vitamin C and beta-carotene. An example of its benefits: if you're dealing with mid-afternoon brain fog, a cup of moringa tea might help you think a little more clearly. Just steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy it first thing in the morning or as an afternoon energizer. Ginger tea. For anyone dealing with digestive turmoil, ginger tea can be a game-changer. Known for quelling nausea and easing bloating, it's a go-to for those moments when your stomach feels out of sorts. A study found that ginger effectively reduces morning sickness in pregnant women, although it's always wise to check with a healthcare provider first. Besides digestive support, ginger tea is a potent immune booster. During cold and flu season, enjoying a steaming mug of ginger can help ward off looming ailments. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that bring relief to achy joints and muscles. Steep fresh ginger slices or 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried ginger in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The result is a zesty, comforting beverage, perfect for chilly mornings or whenever you suspect a sniffle coming on. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea, with its warm golden hue, is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory benefits. This is largely thanks to curcumin, the active component in turmeric known to reduce chronic inflammation that can worsen age-related conditions. Those seeking to maintain healthy joints often turn to turmeric for its ability to keep stiffness at bay and support mobility. Curcumin also nurtures cardiovascular health by promoting better blood flow and lowering harmful cholesterol levels. If you're thinking about heart-friendly habits, a routine cup of turmeric tea is an easy addition. Plus, there's evidence that curcumin fosters the growth of new neurons, offering support for brain health. Stir a teaspoon of turmeric powder into hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes, and consider a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea provides a brisk, citrusy flavor that's simultaneously calming and stimulating. It's a proven digestive aid, easing discomfort and bloating by relaxing the digestive tract. Imagine drinking a warm cup of lemongrass tea after a heavy lunch. It can feel like a gentle reset for your system. One lesser-known bonus is its potential to relieve anxiety. Studies suggest that lemongrass's aroma and chemical compounds may calm the nervous system, helping you push through stressful days. And thanks to antimicrobial properties, it can bolster your immune defenses. Steep fresh or dried lemongrass in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Try sipping it in the late morning for an energizing yet soothing experience. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea stands out for how it can help regulate blood sugar levels, an especially valuable benefit for those watching their insulin sensitivity or coping with prediabetes. Some research indicates that cinnamon helps lower fasting blood sugar levels and boosts metabolic rate, assisting people in weight management efforts. It's also a fragrant brew that offers mild stimulation without the jitters associated with caffeinated drinks. Picture this scenario. You want something warming yet slightly sweet in the morning. Cinnamon tea is a superb choice. Steep a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in hot water for 10 minutes. You can sweeten it with honey or add a bit of milk for a comforting latte-like twist. Fennel tea. Fennel tea brings a distinctive licorice-like flavor to the table and excels at supporting digestion. The natural compounds in fennel relax gastrointestinal muscles and reduce gas, a big help if you frequently feel bloated or have had a larger than usual meal. For instance, after a heavy dinner party, fennel tea can soothe your belly and prepare you for a restful night. Additionally, fennel contains antioxidants that help manage inflammation. That means fennel tea not only supports a comfortable stomach, but also contributes to overall health. Steep around a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds in hot water for 10 minutes. Some enjoy it chilled as a refreshing iced drink on warm afternoons. If you don't have these essentials on hand, you can also get them from any supplier you trust, including Amazon. Check the description below for a dedicated link to all the tea options you need. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a favorite for calming digestive distress. Menthol, its key compound, relaxes gastrointestinal muscles, which can help resolve issues like gas or mild cramps. Visualize sipping a cup after a big family gathering. It's a natural and gentle choice to find relief from overindulgence. Peppermint also offers mental perks. The cooling scent can sharpen concentration and mood, making it helpful for a midday energy slump. You can use fresh peppermint leaves or a tea bag. Steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then take that first minty sip. Some add a touch of honey for sweetness, though the pure, crisp flavor can also be incredibly refreshing on its own. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea is revered for its ability to mellow anxiety and lift the spirits. Many individuals swear by it for reducing stress and tension, and some evidence suggests it supports better sleep by calming the nervous system. If you find yourself awake at night with your mind racing, a soothing mug of lemon balm tea might be worth a try. Additionally, lemon balm can help settle the stomach after a heavy or spicy meal, making it a useful multi-purpose brew. The plant is filled with antioxidants, giving your immune system an added line of defense. Steep fresh lemon balm leaves or a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy it in the evening or during a mid-afternoon pause when the day's demands start to weigh on you. Green tea. Green tea has earned its reputation as one of the most antioxidant-rich beverages on the planet. Specifically, its catechins fight off free radicals that can damage cells over time. As the years pass, that protective effect becomes even more valuable, helping to maintain resilience in the face of age-related concerns. Green tea also offers moderate caffeine, enough to enhance concentration without the jittery buzz you might get from coffee. Some research even suggests green tea can lower the likelihood of neurodegenerative disorders such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, reinforcing its status as a brain-friendly beverage. Just steep the leaves or tea bag for around 2 to 3 minutes to avoid any overpowering bitterness. A good practice. Sip it in the morning to start your day with a gentle lift. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea, originating from South Africa, has been winning admirers worldwide for its mild, earthy sweet taste and lack of caffeine. It's teeming with minerals essential for bone health, like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, making it a nourishing choice for those who want to keep their bones strong. Rooibos also has an abundance of antioxidants, known to fortify the immune system. If you're seeking an alternative to sugary drinks, Rooibos can satisfy your cravings without unnecessary sweeteners. Steep Rooibos leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes, and enjoy whenever you want. Some individuals even blend it with vanilla for extra indulgence. These 13 teas aren't just beverages, they're tradition-backed, science-supported ways to nurture your body and mind. It's remarkable to think about the many advantages hidden inside these simple brews, especially given how easy it is to include them in your day. If you found this information helpful, go ahead and tap the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health content. We'd love to know, what's your top tea pick from this list? Leave a comment so we can hear your thoughts. By spreading the word about these incredible natural solutions, you're taking a step toward a healthier, happier future. Raise your cup to good health and vitality.